Factories have always been designed around the human body. Walkways match our stride, tools fit our hands, stairs, ladders, doors, all assume a person will be there. For decades, automation meant forcing machines into these spaces or redesigning entire factories around robots. But something has changed. By 2028, Hyundai plans to introduce humanoid robots as real co-workers inside its factories, not experiments, not demonstrations, but functioning members of the production environment. And this moment matters far more than it seems. These robots come from Boston Dynamics, a company known for building machines that move with an almost unsettling sense of balance. The robot at the center of this plan is Atlas, a fully electric humanoid designed not just to walk but to work. This is not about spectacle, it is about practicality. Atlas has legs because factories have stairs. It has arms because tools were built for hands. It moves like a human because the world it is entering was designed for humans. Hyundai's goal is simple. Do not rebuild factories for robots. Build robots that can enter factories as they already exist. By 2028, these humanoid robots will begin with tasks that humans know all too well, carrying heavy parts, repeating the same motions for hours, handling jobs that strain the body but not the mind, material handling, parts sequencing, component positioning, the work that quietly wears people down. This is where humanoid robots make sense, not as replacements, but as physical support. These machines will not make decisions. They will not manage teams. They will not solve unexpected problems. Humans will still lead, supervise, and intervene. The robots will absorb the physical burden, not the responsibility. That distinction matters because it changes the narrative. For years, robots were framed as job killers, cold, mechanical replacements, but Hyundai is using a different language, co-workers, and that word is not accidental. Factories today face a real challenge: aging workforces, labor shortages, rising injury rates, and growing demand for productivity. Humanoid robots offer a way to sustain output without pushing human bodies past their limits. This is not science fiction, it is economic pressure meeting technological maturity. Atlas does not rely on rigid pre-programmed motions. It uses AI systems that allow it to adapt to tasks, learn movements, and operate in environments that are not perfectly controlled. This is crucial because real factories are messy, parts shift, objects move, humans improvise. Traditional industrial robots fail here. Humanoid robots are designed for it. Still, limits remain. These robots will not handle delicate wiring. They will not perform high-precision fine motor work. They will not replace skilled technicians or engineers. They are not general intelligence machines. They are physical specialists. And that is exactly why this rollout is realistic. Hyundai plans to scale production, targeting tens of thousands of humanoid robots per year, not for public release, not for homes, but for controlled industrial environments where their value is immediate and measurable. The Savannah, Georgia factory is expected to be among the first testing grounds, a real factory with real pressure, real deadlines, and real consequences. This is where hype ends and truth begins. If these robots succeed here, they prove something fundamental, that artificial intelligence no longer lives only on screens. It has learned how to stand up, balance itself, and step into human spaces. This is not the arrival of sentient machines, it is the arrival of physical AI, and once that door opens, it does not close. Factories will change first, then warehouses, then logistics hubs, slowly, carefully, task by task. The world will not be replaced, it will be augmented. The future of work is not humans versus machines, it is humans supported by machines. And Hyundai's humanoid robots are not a leap into the unknown. They are a signal that the age of AI leaving the screen has already begun. If you want to stay updated on the breakthroughs shaping the future of robotics, artificial intelligence, and industrial transformation, stay with Dezhn, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us explore the innovations that are quietly redefining how humans and machines work together.